Imagine risking your life to uphold the law, only to discover that same bravery could cost you everything. This is the story of a Colombian police officer who faced the unthinkable, and the legal battle that left his family's fate hanging in the balance. The main person asking for asylum used to be a police officer in Colombia. He was attacked and threatened by a rebel group, FARC, while he was still working as a police officer. After he quit the police, he only received one threatening phone call before leaving the country. He applied for asylum and protection from being sent back to Colombia, claiming he fears persecution as a former police officer. Decision summary. Asylum denied. No nexus to former police status. U.S. law protects people who are persecuted because of who they are, race, religion, political opinion, etc. But here, the judges said the harm happened because he was actively working as a police officer, not because he used to be one. Once he quit, he didn't face enough serious threats that would show the FARC still wanted to harm him because of his former role. So, his fear wasn't based on being part of a protected group, like former police officers. The court said this was not persecution based on his identity as a former police officer, but rather revenge for specific police actions he took while on duty. U.S. law says persecution for doing a risky job, like being a police officer or soldier, is not enough for asylum. That's considered part of the job's known risks. Second alternative group argument rejected. He also claimed he belonged to the group Men in Colombia the Government Can't Protect. Judges rejected this group because it's too vague and based only on people being in danger. And that kind of definition isn't allowed in asylum law. 3. Torture protection denied, CAT. He asked for protection under the Convention Against Torture. But to win that, he had to show the Colombian government would probably allow or ignore him being tortured. The court said general corruption or weak policing isn't enough. He didn't prove government approval or willful blindness to torture. Result? The court dismissed his appeal. He, his partner, and their child were all denied asylum, withholding of removal, and Convention Against Torture protection. This case isn't just about legal technicalities. It's about the razor-thin line between who you are and what you've done, and how that line can decide your future. What would you argue if your life depended on proving who you are?